are proud to be a part of every step you take. From the things you use to the things you eat and drink, medicines that support your health to cars that take you wherever you desire to go. Jebsen Jessen has been established in Asia as a successful chemical and life science ingredients distributor for multiple industrial and manufacturing applications for more than 50 years. With over 165,000 tons of specialty ingredients supplied to more than 6,000 customers in 9 countries across the region, and with more than 140 technology partners, we are the region's leader in manufacturing and distributing ingredients, all under the name Jebsen Jessen Ingredients. Jebsen Jessen Ingredients is successfully operating 6 business lines, including coating and resins, plastic and rubber, performance chemicals, agribusiness, food, and pharmaceutical and personal care. We are well established with more than 450 technical sales and customer service personnel, providing state-of-the-art technology and the best services to our valued supplier partners and clients. Jebsen Jessen Ingredients Thailand is one of our important investment bases. Thailand is our strategic headquarters with great potential to become ASEAN's largest market. Jebsen Jessen Ingredients Thailand also serves as a central logistics hub and our major regional warehouse hub. Our regional warehouse is situated near Bangkok, utilizing outstanding inventory management with an SAP real-time online stock control system and ISO, OSAS, and Halal certified advanced product distribution systems. Jebsen Jessen Ingredients Thailand is also regional products and technical training centers. It is the base of our 3 innovation centers, which are coatings, personal care and food ingredients laboratories that research, develop, and create new innovations, constantly providing our customers with the best quality and latest technology products. In addition to Thailand, Jebsen Jessen Ingredients is your local partner with our own offices in the region, including Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Vietnam, Myanmar, Cambodia, and China, to provide value, better living, and satisfaction through the finest quality products and services to all of our consumers. Our dedicated local teams deliver global standards of expertise and support in the language of each country's market. Jebsen Jessen Ingredients, technology for market success.